Okay, so in our last video we added the favicon, the store logo, and the banner. In this video we're going to change the color, we're going to add a copyright notice, and we're going to add some social media links in the footer. So let's go to the back end here, and we're in the design section, and the first thing we're going to do is go to social media, and let's add an Instagram link. So here you would put the name of your, the URL of your Instagram. So I'm just going to make something up here, and then I'll just hit save. Or actually, you don't even need to hit save. You can hit save when you're done. I'm going to add a Twitter link as well. And I'm going to add a Facebook link. Okay, I'm going to hit save. I'm also going to change the footer and add the copyright notice. So the company is going to be called American Carousel Company. And I'm going to change the color from this dark navy to black. And the code for black is 0, 0, 0. So I'm going to change it there, and I'm going to change it here as well. Okay. And anything else? Usually I delete this. This is a pre-built menu that just says products. Usually I delete this and then I'll build it later on. So I'm going to delete this. And now I'm going to hit save. And now I'm going to go over here on the left where it says View Store and click View Store. And here we have a new color. We have some links in the footer to our social media, and we have a copyright notice, American Carousel Company. So that's it for this video. And oh, we got rid of the menu here. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll start building some products. Thank you.